What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream, where we're creating a game, obviously in Unreal Engine 4, using C++ and blueprints. We're trying to make an adventure game, maybe an RPG game, using the Gameplay Ability System plugin. So last time, we finished converting this Stylized Weather System Blueprint that we got from the marketplace. We finished, hopefully bug-free finished, but we'll find out soon today. But we finished converting that to C++. So we have our weather system class, and we have everything kind of copied line by line kind of thing. So we have all the necessary components. Oh shit, Sandra, why'd you... Okay, we're not done yet. It's only 75%. I thought it was gonna be done. Not yet, almost. You're the only one that's contributing to that. I think you're the only one who cares about that. So we have everything done, I believe. So now we're going to try to update our version, just to make sure it's using the same variables and curves and everything. We're gonna have to create some timeline curves and float curves to match their timelines. So we're just gonna kind of go side-by-side comparison. I'm gonna just put one of these on a different monitor just to make my life a little bit easier. You'll see the system blueprint that we made, or class that we made, I should say. So hero weather system. So did we already forget to make booleans for the debug? I thought we did. Did we not give it a class? Yeah. So time debug. Update param. What's update param do? Okay, update param is nothing. Okay. So in Visual Studio, yeah, we did give it a category. Am I blind? Debug? What's the variable name? Time debug. Okay, probably because we didn't give it... Well, it said it anywhere. So that should be valid. Do we have to like reparent it to like refresh it? Oh, let's make it an actor. That's fine. Then reparent it back to the weather system. Okay. I'm already kind of stupid. Yeah, I did add a filter, and I kind of zoomed in on myself a little bit, so I'm kind of bigger. But, you know, I'm forever young, just saying. So watch out. So what am I doing wrong? Oh, is it because it's not blueprint read write? Maybe that's our problem. Let's change that and compile. I also need a haircut. A shave and a haircut definitely needs to be on my way. But things in Poland not doing so hot. Like, they're gonna put more restrictions on because there's that like British strain of COVID and shit, so. You know, what can you do? Hair looks okay to me, beard as well. Well, aren't you a charmer, Sandra? Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, so we have our weather system, we have our blueprint. Here we go. Now we have our debug. So let's enable that by default. And now let's do the side-by-side comparison of these variables. So debug, it's fine. I wonder how I can have like expose on spawn. Like, is that an option? Not expose on spawn, but yeah, instance editable. What happens if I just throw this thing in right now? I still get those options, right? Yeah, they're all in here. Yeah, okay. All right. Let's get started for reals this time. So now we have our time parameters. So under time we have init hour, which they set to 12, and that's 12 for us. Init minute we have set to 0, which is what we have. 1 hour is 1 second is 10 seconds, which is what we have. Now time material is what they have, a full packed array of something. So I'll just show that to you real quick. So here's the time material they have. They have all these different versions of it. I'm gonna have to use the copied versions that I have because we kind of moved them all into my directory, I think. So we could just paste that all in, but I guess we're gonna have to update, which is kind of shitty. But it should be under materials and sky. Yeah. So sky night 000 is what we're saying here. And then morning is here. 7 a.m. should still be kind of morning, so I'm gonna just say that. So 8 o'clock is afternoon, they say. Afternoon, 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 afternoon. Ah, shit. This one. Afternoon, and now evening. Evening 02. Now evening 0. Then evening 1. And then night all again. Okay, so now we know that's using all of our weather version assets, not the ones that he had, just the copies that we made. So if we make adjustments later on, we can know which ones we're messing with. So next he has the sun parameters. So sun angle, he has CV underscore sun angle. So we should have that under curve, and it's a float curve. CV sun angle. Okay. Next one, he has angle clamp, which he's set to 75, which was what we have. Now he has a darkness param curve float. And we should have that too. Darkness param. And then he has the sunrise offset, which he has set named here. Okay. So rotation setting is -60. Oh, it has to be in the Y. So I did that wrong by default. Next I have moon material, which is this MI moon. So what materials? So is it under other? No, sun probably, because this could be moon. So it's probably under this material that is what is making like that moon and the sun look kind of stretched. So maybe we can look into that next if this all goes fucking smooth. Sun material. Yeah, MI sun. Rise time. He has 6, I have 6. Downtime, he has 18, I have 18. Sun size, he has 0.5, I have 0.5. Moon size, I have 0.15 like he does. Base size X and base size Y should both be 1. Yes. Now sun billboard sprite element. I don't think this is anything we ever need to touch. I don't think this should be exposed. Let me see. No. So what is this exactly? Oh, go to code definition. Where is it? What did I name it? Fuck. Sun billboard sprite element. Whoops. Sun billboard sprite element. Okay, no. I think it's in the actual code. Oops. Sun billboard sprite element. Yeah. Are you sure that's not in there, Devin? Oh, it is. Alright, so it should not be in anything. Should it? I don't think it should. So it's not going to be a U property. So yeah, we're just going through general cleanup per variable. And then after we go through the variables, we'll have to make those timeline float curves. And then we should be ready to test. My heart is telling me it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, but you know, we've all been wrong. I just hope I am not wrong. All right, blueprints. So we have that one, and then we have the stylized weather blueprint. And then if we do get it right, we should be able to just delete everything from that marketplace asset. But we're not gonna ask for our money back. That would be really fucking dirty. Okay, so under sun visible, it's true by default, so we gotta set it to true. So that's all the sun parameters. Now we got curves. So all these next and current ones. So next and current sun color are going to be, they're going to be under curves and color, and it's sun color sunny. So boom, boom. And then next in current sky color, it's gonna be skylight sunny. Guessing there's gonna be fog sunny. Yeah. Okay, that's set to nothing, but I'm gonna set it. Because fuck them. And then current overall color, it has nothing. Is there an overall? No. Okay, whatever. So we'll leave overall alone. So those are our curves. Now, did we say time already? Yes. So now weather. So init weather, set to cloudy, which is fine. So weather data. So we have to have our data table. Boom. I need to check this out. So weather change cycle is set to 3, which is what we have. Wind change cycle is 30. We have that. Wind speed 0.0005. Do I have wind speed anywhere? Yeah. Okay. So raffle weather array is empty, which it should be. Change weather. Is this used anywhere? No. Okay, so we don't need that. Next, weather. That looks right. Oh, but it has a scalar param in there. But it's empty, so it's just a single element. So that's fine. I'm guessing the next weather buffer is going to be the same. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's see. So cloud material is supposed to be empty. Sphere material is supposed to be empty. All right, so there's a preview material. What? That's not used anywhere. Current dynamic param should be empty, and then there's current param, which should be empty. Next param, which is empty. So we're good. So current hour should be 0, which is what we have. World time should be 0. Wind offset, well, yes. Current wind direction is that, yes. Next wind direction is that. And then current wind direction buffer should be the same. So they should all be the same value, which they are. Then sphere size. Okay, so it's set to that, which is fine because it's all done in code in the construction script. So that's gonna be that value. So now we need to set some meshes up. So there should be a mesh. Yeah. So sky sphere is our sky sphere. I think that's the only property that it's changing. Show modified properties. All right, so it has no collision. It has an override material under the rendering category. Where is rendering? Here we go. Override materials, and it's using MI Sky Sphere. So materials, MI Sky Sphere. Sounds good, whatever. Compile that. So exponential height fog. So it does have some properties modified already. So fog density has 0.03. Fall off is 0.001. The scattering color, I'll just copy. Max opacity 0.85. And then cutoff distance is this pretty big fucking number, so I'll just copy paste. And then directional in scattering exponent is 30. Okay. And that's it. It's set to stationary, so I'll set the stationary. Let's see. Directional light. The only things are so atmosphere, fog, sunlight. So where's that parameter? Yes. So this one's checked. Light shaft bloom. Light. Oh my god. Light shaft bloom. And then bloom scale. He says it is 0.01. I'll leave it at 0.02 and we'll see what it looks like. Skylight. He has a few things. So he has a cube map. So it's the gray light texture cube map, which is part of the engine resource. So we'll put. All right, so I can't put that in. Oh, source type has to be specific cube map. Then we can add it, and then intensity is 1.5. We'll have to update all this shit once I know how this thing works. So maybe we would want like an actual cube map. Like do we want to say like capture by scene? Yeah, I think we'll do that. Might look nicer. Maybe it'll be more expensive. Probably will because it's capturing it real time. So cloud layer 1 has a static mesh for sky cloud. So it's cloud 00. Collision preset, no collision, makes sense. Override element, so under rendering. So add one, it's going to be MI sky base. And then there's a translucency sort priority that he changed. I don't know what the fuck that is. But we have the parameter, so it's -98. I don't know what the hell that could possibly mean. Now cloud layer 2 has the same properties. So okay, but it's -99. Same override. Oh, no. I didn't use the right material sky base thing. So under sky. Whoopsie doopsie. What happened? Okay. Why is this not letting me? Oh, is it because I don't have a static mesh? Oh, and I probably did the wrong fucking cloud mesh. I know. So it's this one. And then MI sky base. Can I change it now? And this, yeah, this one also has no collision. Yeah, okay. And then 99, yes. Now I have a sun billboard. And this I know is in the constructor. Where it's like create billboard. Or, let me just type in billboard. Add material billboard component. So it has this one element with all these members. That looks right. And anything under rendering. So under rendering, it's at -100 sort priority. Again, I don't know. I guess it's supposed to be like behind the clouds or something. Now, I think I just have to do our curve tables. So where are those variables? All right, these need to be blueprint read write to show up. I don't know why I forgot that. Blueprint right. Well, they don't have to be read write, but they have to like be like blueprint read only or whatever. All right. Recompile. All right, we're close. We're really close to being able to test this. So here's ours. It already kind of looks fucked up in the preview. Am I able to like... Yeah, so that looks already kind of fucked up because at least in the editor viewport, it looks normal. So, not doing so good. What if I just drag it? Oof. So Skysphere material index 0 is invalid. So something's going on with the Skysphere. Interesting. All right, we'll deal with that in a second. Let's just make what we got to make for our timelines. So we should have a new section called movement. We do. So we have 3 timelines. One is the general movement of time. So weather time. And weather time literally goes from 0 to 1 in 1 second. So you can make new ones. I think it's under, what is it, miscellaneous, curve, float. So CV underscore weather time. So we can add a key there. Add a key, what? Oh boy. Oh, what did I do? Oh. All right, so we have this. So we want to add 0, 0. Then we want another one. How do I add a key? Just enter? Okay. And then it needs to be 1, 1. Now, can I... Does this work like timelines? Can I like... Can I fit this to my viewport somehow? I guess that's fine. So 0 to 1. So we can put that in here for F weather time. Now sun visible. Whoops, I closed that one. It goes from 1 to 0 in 1 second. So I think we could just duplicate this. Yeah, set sun visible. Set sun visible. And now, like I said, it goes from 1 to 0. But then it does... No, not that kind of curve. What kind of curve is this? Like, it doesn't let me edit this thing and do anything. Synchronized view doesn't do anything. Flatten? No. It's not auto. Oof, no. Like, I don't know how to make that kind of curve. Oh boy. Well, I guess it has to go like this. I don't know. What am I trying to achieve? I want the curve to look like that. And I don't know why this timeline is not like really editable. I can't do anything. Like I can't right click or, you know, select them. Maybe it's a bug with this like color changing thing. Yeah, so that's the kind of curve I want to get. Maybe it has to be like that. I guess that's close. Yeah. Okay, we'll say that's it. And then we got one more. Wind direction. Thank God. It's 0 to 1. But first, let's put the sun is visible one in. Now we can just copy and paste this one. And then wind direction, I think, is what we would want to call it. Yeah. All right. So we have all our curves, but let's open up a test map, a different test map. Open a new level. Do empty level, and we'll throw this in. So we get errors. So create dynamic material instance. Material index 0 is invalid. So this is stuff that's happening on constructor script in C++. So let's see what could be happening. So we're calling initialized weather settings. So create dynamic material instance. So it's saying this is not valid. So is this getting the, like, am I doing this part wrong maybe? Because MI sky sphere, let me just close out of everything. MI sky sphere. Let me open up the original. Good evening, Christoph. So we updated all the variables in our version, Christoph, of the weather system, and we created the float curves to mimic our timelines that were in Blueprint. But now we're getting an error, or warnings, I should say. Down here, saying a material index is invalid. So I got, and that's why like this sky stuff is like a weird fucking color, I believe. So here's an example of what our warning is. And it definitely has to do something with these creating the dynamic material instance. go. So that's what I got to figure out now. So in construction script, initialize weather. So we're creating the dynamic material instances. So this is where it's failing right now. So the way we're passing in this source material is wrong. Maybe. So maybe so it's a material instance, material interface object, material instance constant. That's what it is. So it's using sky sphere and then sky base and then sky base again. So maybe I actually have to make these variables. Well, the mesh that I'm using should have let's see. It has element 0. And I copied exactly how this guy had it in the blueprints, and he also has this like override materials thing set like this. Like the only reason why I use material instance constant is because like this is the part that I'm doing. So create dynamic material instance, and the source material, it says material instance constant, and then like that object. Like I know, like in general, it's a material instance. So I'm wondering if I need to just create explicit like variables that I will just set instead of trying to load the object. Or I can do a quick if and just see if it's valid. Let's see, log temp warning, then text will say mi sky sphere is valid. Like we're just loading in this object, and then we're doing like create dynamic material instance and setting those materials that way. So it should still be okay. Let's just see if it's valid. Let's just do it. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. It's not valid. I like how I try to do this, and like it's immediately in the construction script that I fuck up. Well, whatever. That's how we learn, I guess. So we're gonna throw in. So let's just make a new level, empty level, and then throw in our blueprint. All right. So it says it's not valid. I don't know if you guys can read that down here, but it says it's not valid. So I'm definitely doing something wrong with trying to load in this asset. Like, do I have to say like this as the outer? Let me see. UE4 C++ load object. I get an example, please. Okay, so like in this example, he only has null pointer and then the actual text reference. So I guess this could be what? Null pointer. And then these don't have to be anything. It seems. And I'm pretty sure I copied and pasted that. Maybe it's because this. All right, let's try that again. So we're looking for this valid message. If we get the valid message, then we're in better shape. The IKEA smell. Does it smell like what is it? Switzerland? Where's IKEA? Is that Sweden? Yeah, it's probably Sweden. I want it to smell like Swiss cheese or some shit. All right. Now we get an is valid. Oh boy. Okay. Why? I don't know. Because fuck you, Christoph. That's why. Okay, so we gotta do null pointer. Oops. And then we can get rid of all this bullshit afterwards. And then I think it's because of this little extra apostrophe that I put in there on accident. That's really kind of doing us a dirty. So let me look for all the instances of where we're doing a load object, because I know we're doing that in a couple places. Here we go. Null pointer. I don't know what the difference really between null pointer and null is. I don't know if there is an actual difference. This doesn't have the apostrophe. Yo, how's it going, my man? I always forget how to pronounce the name because you say hi every once in a while. So my bad. How's it going? Welcome. Okay, so null pointer, and then we could just take these parts out. By the way, you have some bag at your chair in the office with some stuff in it. Do you want me to pick it up and you can take it home once? Oh, I think it's my jacket, Christoph. Leave it alone. I'm gonna be coming by the office later on this week. I'll take it. But thanks for the heads up. Like one of the buttons, you know, I had this like big kind of like, I don't know, tan colored jacket, and one of the buttons came off. So I asked one of my friends, Patricia, her mom said she could like sew the button back on. So she did it, I guess. And here we are. So I can pick it up. So that's great news. I feel like C++ looks so confusing because the file lines are so long. Yeah. It's definitely hard if you can't see what the whole entire thing is, for sure. So I don't blame you there. Like what you can do is, you know, you can write them on like separate kind of lines. Like if you wanted to, you can write it like this. And it's still valid. So if that makes it easier for you to read, you could just break into the next line. That's just how the compiler reads the code. It just waits until there's a break. I'll leave it like that for the sake of showing you that. Let's find all. It might make it easier. So this one, load object. So we did that. We did that one, I know. Let's check, yes. Material parameter, yeah. Yes. We did this a bunch of times. Okay, that's the one we just did. Now we got this one. Yeah, compilers don't really care about run-on sentences as long as you give a break at some point that's valid and you're good. And And then, you know, it's kind of interesting. I don't know if it works that way for Python, because I don't think Python has like a line ending definition where, like, you know, the semicolon or whatever. Yeah. But other languages, they do. All right. Yeah, Python I don't know if you can explicitly make a type, because yeah, you can literally, it just determines the type based on the value that you give it. So if you type in like variable name called like cow and you give it a value 1, it's gonna say it's an integer, or it might cast up to a float. I don't remember. All right, so this is the moment of truth. Did we fix that problem? All right, so we got a crash. Fuck. The stack doesn't call stack. Here we go. Okay. So this is wrong. So do I have to say like if mi sky base and then do this as like a safety thing? I mean, that makes sense to make things safe, but like what the fuck is going on? All right, let's try that again. It's always fun when your blueprint just explodes when you try to open it, so let's deal with it. All right, so let's try to open it. Okay, so still wrong. Stay as long as you can, Christoph. Anything is cool. So something on passing end is just isn't kosher. Okay. All right, let's just comment that line out. And let's just see what I'm trying to do. I gotta look at the original blueprint. Can I open this? Okay. So it still looks derp. So that's cool. But, alright. Blueprint. So it's in here. Is that just wrong? So current dynamic param is a U material instance dynamic, and that's what it's supposed to be. So whatever it is I'm passing in is wrong. So what does it need? Oh, is it supposed to? Ah, let me look at this again. Like, do I need to do something like this instead? And then, what is it? MI Skybase? So like that? Oh, I did that all while with the editor open. Whoops. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can open up our blueprint. That's the first step. Okay. So we can at least open it. But what happens if I still drag it out? Do I get it? Does it still look shitty? Yes. Why? Everything's valid. Am I getting any warnings? Other warnings? All right. Okay, we're getting a lot of warnings. All right. Let's figure this out. So object property. Let's see. New for C++. Warning object property is not initialized. Let's see. Like, do I have to give them properties? Okay, no. Okay. So what property is this? So literally it's F weather. So I know that's that's our struct. So F weather. So it's saying it's not initialized properly. So let's look at the struct here. I mean, that looks fine. What? Do I have to be like, all right, I'm gonna say equals null or something. Let's see if it'll stop complaining. A new level. Okay, so that fixed that. VR disabled because yeah. Warning: access none. Trying to read property. Get player camera manager. Okay. All right, so I guess I should rewrite that one. So get player camera manager returns what? A player camera manager? Okay. So class A player camera manager camera equals and then I just say camera. I guess I have to say if camera whoops, that should be okay. I hope that's okay. Oh, okay. All right, so we're still getting this. So set sun param. So that's rotate sun. Is there set sun param? Set sun param. Well, we are calling rotate sun. All right, let's just open recent levels. Hero test map. All right. Let's just see. Oh, wait, maybe. Because I know, in this blueprint, I think it's under color curves. So yeah, next fog color, I put something in. Maybe I just put that away. No. Fuck. Definitely something weird is going on. All right, and then when we try to play, we get more crashes. So okay. So we got a lot wrong. Oh, this is such a bad idea. Hold on, it's getting hot. I gotta take off my jacket. Alright, so yeah, hydrate. Alright, so we don't need this anymore. No, I'm not gonna get naked, Christoph. Alright, well, let's see. We're gonna have to debug this in a weird way. Well, not in a weird way, but... So let's put the original weather system in. Yeah, nice and pretty. So where we got the crash is under initialized weather settings. And then get data table row. So we have weather data. I guess, well, I would need to maybe, let's do a log. Maybe log temp, warning, text, and then what can I say? Weather row name. Did it say .toString? Probably. Yeah, just so it doesn't crash. Let's see what happens. All right. What happened? What in God's name happened? Oh, my God. Yeah, still a problem. Okay, do I not need to do .toString? It's like, is that the only problem that I had? No. Give me this. let me print out the name that I have here. Thank you. There we go. Okay. So goodbye, prettiness. Let's get our ugly bitch into this. Let's play. All right, crashes again. All right, what? What is this crash? So interpolate param. Did I don't think I went because there was a division sign on the end there. Was that anything? What in God's name is going on? Yeah, we're gonna spend a lot of time on this. All right, let's try that again. We're probably gonna get a crash. Yes. So all right, let's see if we can get a specific crash name. So instead of doing it that way, we can go in, launch a project this way, and just let it crash again. And it should give us a call stack. Maybe that'll help us more. Yeah, fuck you, Sandra. Bringing that back for me. Yeah, I don't know why. I was feeling good, and now I'm not. So yeah, now it's gonna crash. And let's see. So I always forget what this is. So it's something's not valid, I'm guessing, is the problem. So let's try to see what it is. So let's put this for loop away. So I think the problem has to be next to weather. Like if it doesn't crash. Yeah, I know. I always jinx myself for sure. All right, so it's a new crash. So next fog color is null pointer. Okay, so I didn't do any good like safety checks. So next fog color is null pointer. Let me look at the original blueprint. Let me see what the set sun param looks like. In the original blueprint. So set sun param. Set sun param. All right, so I think there just has to be safety checks here. So if certain current sun color and next sun color. And then basically similar checks, I think. So current skylight. Next skylight. Well, where is this coming from? See, yeah. Like, what is this? All right, I'm gonna stop that for a second. Let me put this in. And I'm gonna do a breakpoint on set sun param. And I'm gonna do what? We'll do the on that. Now let's play. All right. So current fog color is fog sunny. Okay, so those are set to something already. So where are these fog colors getting set that I may have missed? Find references, so they're in initialized settings. So this is where they're getting set for the first time. Well, that's current fog color. Okay, what about next? Well, that's next weather. And that's, so they're getting set like that. So initialize. And it, okay. So things are breaking because I'm breaking things. Of course, so let's start over. Let's do this the old-fashioned way. Let me recompile. Take these bad boys one at a time. I don't think there's anything else that was commented out. So we're putting a breakpoint here. Let me get mine. And let's play. All right, and we hit the breakpoint. Okay, so it's E weather -- cloudy. And then this is where it breaks. So is this name not what I think it is? Well, either way, I'm gonna have to say if. I would have to say if weather row. And then do something like that. That's first. But so we have an if weather data, so we do have weather data. So I'm guessing it's because the enum name doesn't match. Because it's saying it's like weather dash dash cloudy, and maybe it's just supposed to be cloudy or something. So we have a data table. So I do want to make sure we're using the right data table. Like I think we are. So weather data, here's weather system. Okay, so cloudy doesn't exist. Oh yeah, it does. So it definitely has to do with how the names are. Let me look at this weather data table. Okay, now let me put in the good one. And let's break point there. So, init weather, it's gonna say current value cloudy. Oh! So it's trying to get a number. Interesting. Okay, so I have to get like the value? So do I have to do something like enum get value as string? And then init and then do I have to say like f string? Okay. Thank you for the follow. That is April Cell. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Welcome. If you have questions, more than happy to help answer, and we have friends in the chat that can also help. So let's comment all these things out. Oh, and Christoph, now you decide to follow. Wow, thanks a lot. After all I've done. Well, I appreciate it, Chrissy. Thank you very much. So I gotta see now. I gotta see what this value is becoming. Yeah, I'll take off my shirt for subs. once I hit 200 followers, I'll show some nipple. How's that sound? Okay, so weather data, let's see. Let's see if we get the right one now. So we play, now we got this. Okay. Okay, so it still is bad. Let me see. UE4, C++, get enum value. Like, I don't want to get cloudy. I want to get 0 or 1. Okay, do I have to do something like that? So we have init weather. So do we have to say const t enum as byte? That's what, e weather. I really don't know, actually. Let's see, UE4, C++, get enum index value? Oh, there is a get index by value. Fuck my life. Okay. Let's try this. So enum get index by value. No. Get index by name? Okay. Let me just say int weather index equals that, and then something like this, but it's gonna be f name. So get value as name. Okay, that's still wrong. I have to do not working things now, so have fun. Okay. See you, Christoph. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon. So it's int 32. That's the first issue. Do I have to do it like this? Const? No. E get name by flags, done. Okay, so still wrong somehow. Alright, let me just see what happens when I try to compile, because I don't know why this is wrong. Ah! Okay. So, illegal call of non-static member function. Let's see what Google has to say. A static function in a class runs without any particular instance of class. There is no this and there is no blah blah. Okay. So do I have to say... Do I have to say like init weather dot get index by... What's the name? Oh, I forgot the whole thing. Get index by name. So do I have to say like that? Like init weather get index by name. Do I have to say like that? That makes no sense. int32 test equals that. No. Let's see. UE4 C++. Get index by name. Just to give me any example. Okay, that's not helpful. Oh, let's see. So the issue could be... So init weather. Where is init weather? I just want to get enum as byte, really. I think that's all I want to do. So am I able to do that? Like, view enum byte. So do I have to do like const int32 test value equals, and then init, well, it has to be f string. Can I say like dot toString? It's the same problem. Does it be like init weather dot get value as string? Oh my god, I don't know how to do any of this. So how is our yeah, it's a uint. So C++, so how to get index of enum? Okay, is that really how dirty that would possibly be? I say int32 test value equals int 32 and then init weather. Is that like a really dirty way I can convert this? Maybe. Let's see. Because what we're expecting is 0. Or some value, like an integer. Okay. Why did it crash? Can it please just reach there before it crashes? That'd be nice. Like, why is it giving me this? Okay. So weather data is somehow wrong now. Why is that null? What did I do? I don't think I changed that to anything. Continue. Let's see. Yeah, weather data should still be okay. Okay. Why did it not tell me? Oh my god, why is this such a pain in the ass to figure out? Get index by value. Index is the internal index, and it's not useful. Value is the value set in, let's see. This is just a pain in the ass, actually. Let me just see again what the blueprint's doing. So the blueprint is, so it's the enum, and it gets the value. So it's a byte. So it gets the byte to a string. So do I have to make it as that byte value? Let's see. What is it, like enum byte? What is that? So is that how I have to have that value in my header file? So like enum as byte, E weather or is it weather? Do I have to do class T enum as byte? Let's see. Like, I really don't think it's needed. What the fuck is going on? So is it E weather? So that's init weather. Let's see. U enum get value. So int64. Is this the same problem? So int64 test value equals like, I just don't know how to call this. I need E. What does that mean? Like, where do I need an E? Caboose! Help me! Because, yeah, I'm super duper stuck. Do I need to be like E weather? Oh. Well, I don't think I don't think I need to. Like, cause I'm trying to, like, basically I'm trying to get, like, just to explain again, I don't know how much you've been watching. I'll show you where I'd be stuck. Like, I don't think I should have to use that. But I'll show you what I'm trying to figure out. So basically, I have this stylized weather blueprint that I got from the marketplace, and I'm converting it to C++. And I'm up to this part where I'm debugging now. Like, I have all this in C++, like everything, but now I'm debugging it. And yeah, it takes this enum, and it, you know, converts a byte value to a string. So it does get the byte value, and then it takes that value into an f name and it gets the row name. And the row names are named like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's what it's correlated to. So I'm looking to see how I can get that 0 or that 1 value. Because it does exist, and it's written like that up here, you know? Like 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. So I'm trying to know how to get that value, and then, you know, convert it to an f name, and then use that to get the find row here that I've currently commented out. And I'm kind of stuck because I'm trying to, you know, do like get value by name, but it's saying, you know, when I try to do u enum, it's saying it's a non-static member reference, so I don't know what I should be doing this on. Because there's also index, where you can say like int32 test index whatever equals enum get index by name, for example, and then weather row name, and it's like the same issue. So a non-static member reference must be relative to a specific object. So I don't know what I'm missing. Unless I need to get a like I'm pretty sure I'm including the classes that I need to include. How to use that? Do I really need to include like this class? And what do I gotta do? Like init weather? And then like no. Yeah, so I'm stuck. Like, I don't know. Because, yeah, this is static.
And his name is John C.
So yeah, this is where I'm stuck. I don't know how to use this function, get index by name. If I know how to do that, I would be more in the money. UE4, C++, how to use get index by name. Like, none of the documentation is really helping me. So get index by value. Or yeah, get index by name string, get index by name. Do I have to be like enum get indexed by name, F for weather name, and then I gotta make what? Get name flags. No, so that's still wrong. Does anybody in chat know? Am I doing something wrong? Because yeah, I'm just. Do I have to be like weather? I was really hoping that that would have been it. No. What? Does something have to go in here? Is it something like init weather get index by name weather and then like weather row name flags? No. Why is there no information on this? And it's not like that. What do I have to do? All right, let's see if I gotta do something like this. Let me do that. Equals static enum. Weather type. Get index by name, weather row name, flags. All right, so I have to do something like that? What the fuck does that mean? Okay. So let's see if I get a value. Okay, so it's uninitialized this, so what is this? Equals none. Is it happy now? I like how triggered I get when all this shit goes. Like, some of the syntax, I suck when it comes to C++, man. I gotta like really sit down and try to learn it better instead of just trying to like brute force learn it this way. All right, so we have this. We have a breakpoint, so let's see what value it's going to return. So is it not telling me anything? God, sometimes I can't. Let's do a UE log. Log temp. Morning. Text. It's going to be a digit. I got to put that in quotes. And then can I just say test index? Okay. Bricka, check it out. Okay, so let's try to play and okay, so we hit this. Step 2. Can I have any data? Any data at all? Why does it not tell me? All right, yes, index 1. Oh, okay. We're going places. Hold on. Okay. So now. Now, can I say test index how do I, all right, what's the best way to do that? UE4, C++. convert int 32 to fname. All right, so there's an option for string. Okay. So can I literally just do like f string name string equals static enum get index by name, but can we do f string from int and then I guess I could say and then can I say name string that name? Okay, UE4, C++, f name to, no, string, f string to f name. Okay, so we can do f name name string. Whoops. Oh, spelling. So then can I do something dirty like this? Okay. And I probably should say like if flags can I say if flags? If flags equals something like, can I say something like that? Okay. Oh, yo, what's up, Dominic? How's it going? Right now I'm brute forcing, trying to figure out how to do and find enums in C++. So how you doing? Let's see. All right, it's gonna crash, of course. So something's wrong here. Can I literally just say like if flags dot or does it have to be like that? So it's literally none of those. Like I want to know what the value is. Like I don't know why this like debugging thing doesn't tell me what the values are. You fucked your wife? Nice. That's what marriage is all about, baby. Good for you. I'm getting fucked by Unreal, if that means anything. All right, let's try this again. Oh, God. Can I continue? God, I hate debugging. Like, why does this give me a problem? Well, I appreciate that, Dominic. Like, can I not say that? What's wrong? Oh, no and no. Is it like an exception? All right, so. Okay, next. Like I can't watch it. Like, okay, so okay, that's wrong. So error if not found. So maybe okay, so maybe we have to say not equals because I'm misinterpreting what that error is. Am I being a dumb boy? Probably. So let's try this again. Okay, so now we're in here. Okay, so now I gotta basically say if weather row initialize, right? So let's see if we even get there. And your boy is struggling. Every day I'm struggling. Okay, let's see what happens. So step over, step over. All right, so it does find something. Yes. All right, so then it breaks. Okay. Cool. Okay, so we get to that point. So this is all correct now. We are finding the right name. So let's do some more debugging for a couple more minutes, and then we'll have to continue this maybe on Thursday. I don't know if I'll be available on Thursday. Thursday is the launch of Outriders, the game I've been working on with People Can Fly. So make sure you buy that, check it out. And if you buy it on the Epic Games Store, use my code Devin-Sherry. to lend some support to my channel and my Twitch and everything like that, it'll be much appreciated. All right, so we hit here, and we get there. All right, so yeah, that's null, so that makes sense. Okay. So we're good. So we just gotta see where it crashes. I think it's this one. Okay, no, it gets in there. Okay, so it crashes there. Okay, so something in here. So let's just debug one more time. I want to find the exact line and then I can document it just so I know where to go to next time. I don't want to be too dead in the dark and have to redo this. Okay. Oops, I forgot there was the breakpoint there still. Continue. All right, so we're here. Okay, so that's where the problem is. So that's kind of confusing. Why is it crashing there? All right, let's document that, but we're also gonna do a bigger crash report. So we have this. So we did that, and we did that. Oh, no, we didn't do the debug. Can I undo that? Yeah, we did that one. Okay. No. So what's the line that's fucked up? Apparently this one. Don't know exactly yet. So line 190. Okay. Now let's get a for real crash report. Okay. Now here's the real one. So it goes initialize material settings. F scalar parameter value. So that's confusing. Am I able to put that in for here? Okay, fuck. Let's say crash report. Okay. So it has that. But like for real, is it really this const? That can't be the truth. This is lying. Well, let's see. Because maybe it'll be like another crash. Because yeah, I'm not super confident about these for loops and all this shit that's going on here. So. Alright, param texture. Is current param used anywhere else? Can I get away with doing that? Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The one thing I should have done in the first place. Alright, so does it crash at the same point again? Yeah. So we're calling clear parameter values. So copy parameters. So this is wrong. God damn it. So is it because next param is invalid? Probably. But should it be? That's the question. The $1 million question. Let's see. Alright, that makes sense because this is null. So yeah, it's this line, 188. So let's update this. Okay. Now, I want to do one more thing. It'll help me for next time. Let's see. Ba-ba-ba. Now I want to see what the original does. So let's take out this one. Put in the original one. Now this is under initialize material settings. And this is next param. So let's add a breakpoint there, play, then we go in here. So next param is set. But not for us. So where is this set? Find. So next param should be in initialize. Yeah, initialize weather settings. And then we do initialize weather struct. We set the buffs. Yeah, next param. So this is just not valid. Give me just a second. Can I get like a breakpoint? Yeah. So we got the breakpoint. Yeah, so next param is fine. Do I have a breakpoint? All right. One more breakpoint, then I promise we're going to be done for today. Just gotta see what the fuck is going on. It's driving me crazy. Excuse me, I gotta sneeze. Okay, let's see. Yeah. All right. Oh, all right. One more. I'm never good about debugging. I gotta get better at this shit. Yeah, I'll hydrate. Thank you. All right. Let's do this again. And what we need to do is just dig into it. So, play, and then we gotta say step into. Okay, so that again is where it breaks. So we got Misa frustrated. So play. Okay. Is it because current dynamic param is not valid? Alright, you know what? We'll figure that out next time. Ugh. I still don't know why the colors are so fucked up. I need to figure that out too, but I'm not very confident as to why. But at least we're slowly getting there. Thanks a lot for the follow, the Mask Rager. Much appreciated. Welcome. Unfortunately, you just joined when I'm going to be ending my stream. But come back tomorrow we're going to be playing some Valheim with our buddy Mediocre Mage. And maybe on Thursday I'll stream. But again, it's the launch of the game Outriders from People Can Fly. And that's where I work. So we're going to be celebrating after work. So we'll see, maybe on Saturday. I have that following Monday off, so maybe we'll stream in the Monday morning. For now, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go and raid Aloy's game dev. She's working on like that kind of cutesy art style kind of game, so it'll be appealing to the eyes for sure. See ya, Sandra. Thanks as always for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Everybody else, have a good night. See you soon.